The Nilight LED pods deliver impressive performance and versatility for a variety of applications, making them a strong contender in the off-road lighting market. With a robust 120W output, these 6.5-inch light bars produce a remarkable 12,000 lumens, illuminating the darkest paths with clarity. Constructed with durability in mind, the triple-row design enhances both flood and spot beam capabilities, striking a balance that suits various driving conditions. This hybrid approach allows users to benefit from a wide spread for decision-making at lower speeds, while maintaining focused lighting for high-speed trails or navigating through fog. Installation is straightforward, making these pods accessible even for those with basic mechanical skills. The waterproof construction provides confidence against the elements, ensuring the lights perform consistently in rain, mud, or snow. Additionally, the broad compatibility with a range of vehicles, including trucks, SUVs,